Hey there, science fans! Today we're diving into a fascinating world that's rapidly changing our lives. The world of artificial intelligence, or AI for short. You've probably heard of it, maybe even interacted with it without realizing. AI is behind those smart assistants like Siri and Alexa, the personalized recommendations you see online, and even self-driving cars. But what exactly is AI, and how does it work? Buckle up, because we're about to take an exciting journey to demystify the magic of AI. Simply put, artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer or machine to think and learn like humans. Now that doesn't mean robots are about to take over the world, at least not yet. It means we're teaching machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as problem-solving, decision-making, and even understanding language. Imagine you're teaching a dog a new trick. You show it what to do, reward it when it gets it right, and eventually, it learns. AI works in a similar way. We feed computers with tons of data, give them instructions, algorithms, and they learn from the patterns and relationships in the data. Think of AI as a delicious cake. You need the right ingredients to bake it, right? For AI, the key ingredients are data, algorithms, and computing power. Data is like the flour of our AI cake. It's the raw material that AI systems learn from. This data can be anything: text, images, videos, numbers, the more the better. Algorithms are like the recipe. They provide step-by-step instructions for the AI system to follow, telling it how to process the data and make decisions. Finally, we need a powerful oven to bake our cake, and that's where computing power comes in. AI systems require massive amounts of computational power to process huge data sets and run complex algorithms. Now let's talk about how AI actually learns. One of the most popular approaches is called machine learning. It's like teaching a child to ride a bike without giving them a manual. Instead of programming every single rule, we let the machine learn from experience. Imagine showing a machine learning algorithm thousands of pictures of cats and dogs. The algorithm analyzes the patterns in the images and learns to distinguish between the two. The more data it sees, the better it gets at identifying cats and dogs, even if they're different breeds or in different poses. Neural networks are a powerful type of machine learning inspired by the human brain. Just like our brain has interconnected neurons that transmit information, neural networks have artificial neurons organized in layers. Each connection between neurons has a weight, and by adjusting these weights, the network learns to make accurate predictions. Section 5. Narrow AI versus general AI, specialists versus all-rounders. When we talk about AI, it's important to distinguish between two main types: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to perform a specific task like playing chess or recommending products. These AI systems are like specialists. They excel in their specific domain but can't do much beyond that. General AI, on the other hand, is the kind of AI we see in science fiction movies. Machines that possess human-level intelligence and can perform any intellectual task that a human can. General AI is still a long way off, but it's a goal that researchers are working towards. Think of it this way. A narrow AI is like a calculator that can perform complex calculations but can't write you a poem. General AI would be like a human brain capable of both mathematical reasoning and creative expression. Section 6. Learning with a teacher or going solo, supervised versus unsupervised learning. Just like humans, AI systems can learn in different ways. Two common approaches are supervised learning and unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, we act as teachers, providing the AI system with labeled data. For example, we might feed it images of fruits and label each image with the corresponding fruit name. The AI system then learns to associate the images with the labels, allowing it to identify fruits in new, unlabeled images. Unsupervised learning is like letting the AI explore a playground without any instructions. We give it unlabeled data and let it find patterns and relationships on its own. This is often used for tasks like clustering, where the AI system groups similar data points together, even if we don't know how the groups are defined beforehand. Section 7. AI in action. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's already transforming various industries and aspects of our lives. Self-driving cars are a prime example. Using a combination of sensors, cameras, and AI algorithms, these vehicles can perceive their surroundings, make decisions, and navigate roads without human intervention. In healthcare, AI is being used to develop new drugs, diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately, and even personalize treatment plans based on a patient's genetic makeup and lifestyle. From customer service chatbots to fraud detection systems, AI is becoming increasingly ubiquitous, making our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. Section 8. The ethical side of AI challenges and responsibilities. With great power comes great responsibility, and AI is no exception. As AI systems become more sophisticated, it's crucial to address the ethical implications and potential risks. One concern is bias. AI systems can inherit and amplify biases present in the data they are trained on. For example, if a facial recognition system is trained primarily on images of light-skinned individuals, it might perform poorly on images of people with darker skin tones. This could lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Another challenge is job displacement. As AI systems become more capable, they might automate tasks currently performed by humans, potentially leading to job losses in certain sectors. It's important to prepare for these changes and ensure that workers have the skills and support to adapt to the evolving job market. Section 9. AI's Future, a World of Possibilities. The field of AI is constantly evolving and the future holds immense potential. As AI systems become more intelligent and capable, we can expect even more transformative applications in areas like healthcare, education, transportation, and entertainment. Imagine a world where AI-powered robots assist with surgery, personalized learning plans cater to each student's unique needs, and smart cities optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion. While the future of AI is full of possibilities, it's up to us to shape its development responsibly and ethically, ensuring that it benefits all of humanity. So, stay curious, keep exploring, and let's embrace the exciting world of AI together.